Hello everyone, I am Wadiullah and welcome back to our English pronunciation class. Today we are going to focus on something really interesting, silent letters and ed endings. Have you ever seen a word that has a letter but when you say it the letter just disappears? Well, that's what we are going to explore today. Alright guys, let's start with a quick warm up. Listen closely. I'll say two words. You will tell me which letter is silent. What is it? Right. And what about it? Right. Both are right. What is it? Night. Good. And what about it? Night. Great. What is it? Wide. And what is it? Wide. Okay, great. Okay, can you see in right we don't say W. In night we don't say K. And in these two words, all letters are pronounced. I included these two words just for examining you. Awesome. This shows that you guys have already a great instincts. Let's dig deeper. So, our goal today is twofold. First, we will identify and pronounce common silent letters like the silent K in knife, silent K. Second, we will learn how ed endings change sounds. For example, talk ends in T sound, played ends in D sound, and ended ends in id sound. Id. Alright, guys, let's look at some common silent letters. Watch as I write and underline the silent letters in each word. For example, night. The letter K is silent here. Subtle. Which letter is silent here? Yes. B is silent here. We pronounce this word as subtle. Psychology. Yusuf, which letter is silent? P, yes. P is silent here. Ram. Ahmad, which letter is silent? L, yes, it is Ram. Castle or castle. So, what do you think? Which letter is silent? Yes, T is silent here. We don't pronounce T in this word. The next word is right. So, what do you think? Which letter is silent? W, yes, we don't pronounce W in right. And thought. Which letter is silent here? G? Yeah. Is only G? No, G and H both are silent here. So GH, both letters are silent in thought. Alright, guys, now let's talk about ed endings. They don't all sound the same. Here is the rule. If the verb ends in a voiceless sound like K, Ka, we pronounce ed as T. But if it ends in a voiced sound like D, Da, we pronounce or we say it is D, right? D. And if it ends in a T, we say it is id, id. To give you some examples, look at the board. Tart, 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 tart. How do we pronounce it? Played, played. And ended. So look at them. Here the ed is pronounced as T, tart, tart. Here ed is pronounced as D, played, played. And in this word ed is pronounced as ed, ended, played, ended, and tart. I'll clap for each sound so that you can feel the rhythm. Tart, played, ended, ended. Alright, guys, now let's do it together. I'll say the word, clap, and you repeat. Sa, turn, tart, tart, hair, hair, writing, ring, ring, tart, obeyed, ended, ended. Nice job, guys. Remember, even if the letter is written, if it is silent, don't pronounce it. Alright, guys, let's review what we have learned so far. Some letters are silent, they are written but not pronounced. Good. The ed ending has three sounds: da, ta, ed. Da, ta, ed. Okay, can you think of one more word with silent letter or an ed word? Think about it for our next activity. Thank you so much for practicing pronunciation with me today. Remember, the more you listen and repeat, the better your English rhythm and clarity will become. See you next time.